Right, hi guys, this is Dries from UniHosted, and I will show you how to access your devices by SSH from anywhere. So there's this option called Debug Tools, and it's actually really useful because you can SSH into any UniFi device in the web interface of the UniFi controller. So let's enable that feature. Go to Settings, go to System, click on Advanced, and enable Debug Tools. Also says right here that enable debug terminal for connecting to device. Enable that. Apply changes. And then if we go to a UniFi device, I have one setup right here. Go to settings, and then there will be this extra setting or button called debug. Open debug, and then it will spawn a SSH session. It will use WebRTC for the connection. And the nice thing is that it can work from everywhere. So you don't have to be on that physical network, which is actually really useful. So as we can see, the session is live, and you can run commands like set inform, set defaults, or do whatever you want on this device or that network, and you will have access. So bye-bye.